celebrate or to organize the Fit India cycles on Sunday. This in the connection with the joint venture of Press Club of India, Press Club of Kokrajhar, and Journalist and Media Association of India. So this was planned in the early part of this previous month, but it was due to the certain conditions in the country, it has been postponed, and today we are fortunate enough to hold this cycle run. This Fit India cycles on Sundays is spreading the message all over the country to remove the obesity or to eradicate the obesity. So this is a very important aspect, and if we are fit enough, then the nation is definitely going to progress in the much further faster stride. This is the main motto, and because of our daily routine we are not able to find out sometimes. So this type of activity will definitely keep our people out. They'll come out from the house and they'll remain themselves fit. This fitness will are going to benefit in a different way, not just only fitness. It is going to cut down the expenditures of the petrol, cut down the expenditures of medical expenses. So, and the people will be more aware, and you know the sweat is the best thing which we are going to, which comes out and eradicate the your diseases. So everyone should spread out this message of Fit India cycles on Sundays, and not on Sundays. Please keep on going it, keep on continuing for the another days also. Thank you so much. Thank you, and the best wishes for the today's Sundays on cycle. Thank you.
Thank you.
गोजोनथाव खौरां बर'नि आंगोथार गोथाव ओंख्रि जानो मोजां मोनग्रा रायजो राजाफोरनि थाखाय गोजोनथाव खौरां। बर'नि आंगोथार ओंख्रि जानो मोजां मोनग्रा रायजो राजाफोरा बे गोदानै खुलिनाय लाइजौ हटेलाव हाबफैनो हागोन। जाखांफुहांनाय लाइमोन फालांगिरि गपेश बसुमतारिया अदालगुरिनि टंलायाव बेखेवदों बर'नि आंगोथार ओंख्रि मोनग्रा गंसे हटेल। अदालगुरि जिल्ला टंलानि मिउनिसिपाल बर्ड मावख'नि साखाथियाव गोदानै बर'नि गोग्गो जानाय आदारनि गंसे लाइजौ मुंनि हटेल बेखेवदों। अदालगुरि जिल्लानि सिङाव थानाय फालांगिरि नोगोर टंलायाव गोदानै खुलिनाय बे लाइजौ हटेलाव बर'नि दोरोङारि जाग्रा आदारजों लोगोसे गोबां जाग्रा आदारफोरबो मोननो हागोन। गोदानै बेखेवजानाय बे लाइजौ हटेलाव अमा बेदर, बोरमा, लकेल ना, साम', नारजि, अनला खारै, थास', मैथा आरो नाफाम आरो गोबां आइटेमफोरखौ मोननो हागोन। बेनिखायनो नोंथाङाबो अदालगुरि जिल्ला टंला लामाजों थांलाय फैलाय खालामोब्ला बे गोदानै खुलि जानाय लाइजौ हटेलाव हाबनानै बर'नि दोरोङारि गोथाव जाग्रा आदारफोरखौ जालांनो हागोन। आरो नोंथाङा नैबे 9101758967 जानबुं नम्बरनि गेजेरजों खौरां लाहरनानै आबुङै मिथिना लानो हागोन।